I'm making a type of orbeez video, and I'm gonna show you some orbeez first. The bag says, if you were looking while I was talking, 50,000 orbeez. I haven't finished it all. You might have think I did, but this is as much as I've put in right now. Right now I have this much, and I have one more that I gave to my brother. I gave him a little bit more. And some of his are a little bit small. Can you see it? You like it? And I'm gonna make a couple more recording the video. And I'm sorry for not showing you the other ones. The first time that I made it was my aunt's birthday, making the balloons. So how I made it is I grabbed this ingredient, and when it was filled up to the top, I knew it wasn't all 50,000 orbeez was gonna fit in this small one, so I decided to put it on these big ones. And I don't know if these two big ones are still gonna fit them all. So you think there's really much none, but if I twist it, you can see still a little bit more of the orbeez. You see it? So mommy can put the phone inside of the bag and see if you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna put some. Usually, sometimes I grab a handful, but this is what's really much happens. Let me move this out of the way. So I just grab a handful and put it in there. But when I put water in there, they stick in my hand, so I have to do that. So instead, I would rather dump it, but who knows if I might not put enough. So I'm just coming over here, and that much is fine for me. And usually I play with it for a little, and then I go to the sink and get some water. Instead, mommy can, instead of we walking to the sink and get it, mommy can show Aaron playing with the orbeez. And actually, one thing is when you're hurt, these orbeez usually help you. So say that your feet is starting to hurt, you just open this and you put it in there, and usually you wait a little. Your hand gets a little wet, but it actually heals. I tried that once, and then I'm like, hold up, that's not really working. So I told my brother to do something that made him hurt, and then he's like, oh yeah, it does make you feel better. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Should be a little okay. Okay, that's good. And now you can turn the camera to my brother. So Aaron, you come over here with the basket. I'm gonna be right back, okay? I'm just gonna fill up the water. You might hear a little bit of the noise. Bye, guys. Mommy, why are we filling orbeez for somebody? For you?
How many you got in
I don't know. How many I got in here? I don't know, I didn't count. Now I'm just gonna turn off the lights. That one has a little bit of the water. AJ, I need more water. It's okay. It's okay if they're small. Soon I'm gonna fill them up. Once it's a little high, I'm gonna put a little bit of the water. So I'm just gonna move these baskets behind me. Aaron, is it fine if you turn and go over here so that way I could show them this? This is how they begin. Once I try to grab it, it's hard to grab them. You see this one, they're all stuck together that you have to squeeze them out. This is how I usually begin play with it. And it does take a little time. Mommy might pause it and go to work. But if I grab it and you look real closely, you see little spikes. Do you see them? Okay. My mom saw them, so it was as close enough as she could get them. So we're just gonna play with them for a little and then leave them alone and talk about these. Like, Mommy's gonna ask a question and we're gonna answer it. That's about the orbeez. Oh no, I put one orbee in here. Oh, it's very small. Okay, so, Mommy, so you guys might be wondering, where did we get it? I got it from Target. And this, my aunt took us shopping and she had a little bit of the money. It cost $20. And I asked her, can I have it? So she checked the price and then it was $20. So she bought it for me. And then my brother's like, it's not fair that you have so much. And I said, you shouldn't have asked for it. He asked for a Pokemon Lego thing. So this is how it looks like, this is how it kind of looks like, and this is how big looks like. Some of these are a little bit big, but these ones are perfectly big enough, and those were the small. So Mommy can come a little closer, say big, medium, and large. Eric, can you move your hand, please? So that's small. And that's medium. And this one over here is large. If you zoom in a little, they both look the same, but if you look a little closer, some of these are a little bit bigger than the other ones. Some of those are big enough, some of them aren't. No, we're not. Okay, so Mommy, what type of question do you want to ask?
How many are there?
I did lose a couple, which is, I'm guessing, there's 14,000 and something. But I think I found them all, so I think it's still 50,000. Aaron, no. I'm checking what feels better. No, Aaron, because now you're going to get the floors wet. So, that's cleaning. No, yes. It's just getting it wet. That's the same thing as by mopping. No, it's the same thing, but except it's more wet, which is other people can slip.
So what are you going to do with all of those things?
And I was thinking in 3 months and 2 days, it's my birthday, which is, we might be recording the video. I'm going to give away some of these orbeez to a friend, but there's a type of game that I'm not going to tell them, but if they're asking what it is, I would tell them that whoever's been the nicest to me would get them, but they're all obviously going to try to be nice, so I wouldn't tell them, and whoever's the nicest that I know that has been the nicest to me would get the most orbeez. What's the nicest? Like the nicest? I don't know, because it hasn't been my birthday.
So, you think they will last that long?
Yeah, if this boy don't break them all. He said he wants to break them. I'm like, you ain't breaking mine, but you can break yours. And then he has 0 left. And I'm not going to share any. Did you just break this one? Yeah, it's only from yours. Really? Oh, yeah. Okay. Why did you break it? Because why? You forgot the source is good. Aaron, you say it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment to our more videos. And click the bell, which is to make more videos. When my mom was using this phone, I saw a comment saying, someone was saying, post a video. So I didn't tell my mom, but then she wanted it to post one, so I did. So we don't have subscribers because our mom puts them in TikTok. Yep, and we really want subscribers so we could get a new play button. We never have a play button. But there's a thing, Jeremiah, my friend that's a boy, he said he has a 10 million play button. And I don't really believe him because when it was April Fool's, he said that when it was school day, that time when it was April Fool's, it was a holiday, it was like Saturday or Sunday. He said that his mom was hiding the play button because he didn't want anybody to steal it. Bye.